Hi everyone, welcome back to Can of Coffee. Here we have an Anita by Quick Mill. This machine was brought in because it was turning off and on intermittently, and that was because the power switch was going bad. If you just jiggled it, the machine would just toggle on and off. And so we replaced that, working fine, and we also performed a tune-up while it was here. Notice the gasket, the group head gasket here, was feeling a little stiff and dry, so we replaced that as well as the screen, and we took out the diffuser, soaked and cleaned that. As well, we descaled in the group head and the boilers as well. So here it is, working great and staying on. So let's pull a shot. Our steam boiler pressure is good, and you can see our brew pressure looking good. And here's the pour. Not too bad. Perhaps a little fast. I only put 14 grams in, and 18 grams was too much, so somewhere in the middle is what we should be doing. Alright, we'll stop here at about 2 ounces. Fire off some steam real quick. There it is. The Anita has powerful but quiet steam. Alright, a little hot water action as well. Looking good. Alright, there you have it. Quick Mill Anita functioning once again. Thanks for tuning in to Can of Coffee. Please like our videos, and if you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel.